creation comes from the sense of mission in realizing the dream. Jiangling Motors has never stopped searching for breakthroughs and innovation. As an integrated automobile manufacturer engaged in R&D, manufacturing and sales of both vehicles and auto parts, JMC has been ranked among the 100 most valuable automobile brands in the world for consecutive years. Jiangling boasts 5 automobile manufacturing enterprises and 3 advanced production bases, integrating cutting-edge technologies to build a digitalized lean manufacturing system that unifies industrial software, data management systems, and intelligent equipment. Supported by standardized digital protocols and automated industrial network solutions, it has realized seamless and efficient connectivity across its entire digital lean manufacturing system. Jiangling takes the lead in adopting advanced energy-saving, environmentally friendly, and low-consumption technologies. It has gradually introduced sophisticated production equipment from Germany, the United States, Australia, Japan, Sweden, and other countries, building a world-class green and ecological R&D and production base for automotive products. The all-new universal powertrain, marked by wild diesel, embodies technological innovation and fully underscores Jiangling Motors' advanced capabilities in platform-oriented, modularized, and intelligent product development for the new era. Jiangling has established a diversified global supply chain system with world-class international partners. The energy-saving, environmentally friendly, and practical series of high-quality Jiangling products have been selling well in the Chinese automobile market for more than 20 years, with its market share leading the pack, top 1 in light bus segment, top 2 in pickup segment, top 7 in light truck segment. In 1996, Jiangling implemented the ISO 9000 Quality Management System standards, followed up by implementation of ISO 9001, IATF 16949, ISO 14001, OSAS 18000, ISO 16949, ISO 45001 standards, along with obtaining third-party system certification. It has green environmental protection legally and has passed German DQS review to achieve a certificate. Jiangling has been recognized by the Ministry of Commerce as the vehicle export base for the nation, with the highest credit rating of AEO accreditation by China Custom, and was awarded the certification for the exemption from export inspection. Jiangling has established long-term stable partnerships with many of the world's top container shipping companies, roll-on, roll-off shipping companies, and logistics companies, providing customized logistics solutions for customers around the world. Jiangling has always considered honesty as the foundation of the company, based on information technology and a modern management method. Jiangling has built a youthful professional team that is united, friendly, passionate, and enterprising. Relying on its excellent team and products, Jiangling's vehicles have been exported to more than 110 countries and regions, with 102 overseas distributors, 14 overseas operations centers, and 16 overseas KD assembly plants. Jiangling has extensive experiences in overseas fleet sales and tenders. Jiangling actively promotes the internationalization of its brand and gradually improves the global distributors network. The company regularly hosts global distributor conference and global product launch events, where it shares the latest products, incorporates strategic policies with global partners, and conducts real-time communication and exchanges on market trends and cutting-edge industrial information. In addition, Jiangling hosts service conferences in different countries and regions from time to time to further enhance the quality of its services. A diversified marketing model has been formed through overseas marketing activities such as digital marketing, auto shows, newspapers, magazines, billboard and public relations activities, etc. While maintaining strong traditional marketing and communication, Jiangling Motors strategically operates major global social media platforms with professional content for its brand and products, continuously enhancing its global brand image and influence. We will remember the mutual support and fruitful progress made by every Jiangling partner with great gratitude. Jiangling keeps pace with developments in the automobile industry, actively planning and implementing with new technologies such as new energy and automatic driving vehicles, while actively promoting innovations such as Internet of Vehicles for traditional energy vehicles. In the future, Jiangling plans to invest significantly in R&D and launch more customized high-performance products, including plug-in hybrid power and fully electric products. Jiangling will speed up production capacity output and technology output to further develop the KD market, while expanding the overall capacity of the KD packaging center and improving the efficiency of KD logistics. In the future, Jiangling hopes to inject strength, conviction, and attitude into the soul of each product, becoming a new face for China's exchanges with the world. In this new era of opportunity, Jiangling will bravely take on the ever-changing challenges in the field of new automotive technology and move forward to a brighter future